Hello, and welcome back to Jake and Jenna English. I'm Jenna, and today I want to tell you something very personal. I want to tell you about my daily routine. Every day I do the same things in the same order, and this routine helps me feel calm, happy, and ready for the day. Are you ready? Let's begin. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Not 6, not 7, 6:30. I open my eyes. I take a deep breath, and I say to myself, "Good morning, Jenna. Today is a good day." I know, it sounds a little funny, but it really helps. Try it tomorrow morning. Say good morning to yourself. After I wake up, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. Cold water wakes me up very fast. Then I brush my teeth. I brush for 2 minutes, up and down, up and down. Then I look in the mirror and I smile, a small smile, just to start the day in a positive way. After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen. I make coffee. I love coffee. Every morning I make 1 cup of black coffee. No sugar, no milk, just coffee. I sit at the table. I hold the cup with both hands. I feel the warmth, and I just sit quietly for 5 minutes. No phone, no music, no TV, just me and my coffee. This is my favorite part of the morning. After coffee, I eat breakfast. I usually eat something simple, bread with butter or eggs, sometimes fruit, a banana or an apple. I don't eat a big breakfast, just enough to feel good. Then I get dressed. I choose my clothes the night before, so in the morning it's easy. I don't think about it too much. I put on my clothes, I fix my hair, and I'm ready. By 8 o'clock, I start my work. I sit at my desk. I write a short list. 3 things I want to do today. Only 3, not 10, not 20. 3. Because 3 things are manageable. 3 things I can finish, and when I finish them, I feel proud. In the afternoon, I take a short walk outside, even just 15 minutes. I walk slowly. I look at the sky. I breathe fresh air. This walk helps me think more clearly, and it helps my body feel better too. In the evening, I make dinner, something warm, something simple. After dinner, I read a book, or I watch a short video, something relaxing, not something stressful. At 10 o'clock, I stop using my phone. I put it on the table, face down, and I get ready for bed. I wash my face again, I brush my teeth again, and I get into bed. Before I sleep, I think about 1 good thing that happened today. Just 1. It could be small. A good cup of coffee, a nice walk, a smile from a stranger. 1 good thing. And then I sleep. So that is my daily routine. Wake up, wash my face, make coffee, eat breakfast, get dressed, start work, take a walk, make dinner, read, sleep. Simple, calm, consistent. A good routine helps you feel in control of your life. So tell me, what does your daily routine look like? Write it in the comments. I would love to read it. Thank you so much for listening. This is Jenna. All right, next up is Jake for your shadowing session. But first, find a spot where you can really speak out. Tell your family or the people around you, "I'm busy for a bit. Give me a minute, okay?" Take your time to settle in, and when you're ready, here is Jake.
Hey, welcome back. I'm Jake, and this is the shadowing section. This is your time to speak, not just listen, speak. We're going to repeat Jenna's daily routine together. I'll say it first, then you say it. Ready? Let's go. I wake up at 6:30. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6:30. Again. I wake up at 6:30. One more time. I wake up at 6:30. Great. Next sentence. I wash my face with cold water. Repeat. I wash my face with cold water. Again. I wash my face with cold water. One more time. I wash my face with cold water. Excellent. Next one. I brush my teeth. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. Again. I brush my teeth. One more time. I brush my teeth. Perfect. Next sentence. I make a cup of coffee. Repeat. I make a cup of coffee. Again. I make a cup of coffee. One more time. I make a cup of coffee. Great. Keep going. I sit quietly at the table. Repeat after me. I sit quietly at the table. Again. I sit quietly at the table. One more time. I sit quietly at the table. Excellent. Next one. I eat a simple breakfast. Repeat. I eat a simple breakfast. Again. I eat a simple breakfast. One more time. I eat a simple breakfast. Perfect. Next sentence. I get dressed and I am ready. Repeat after me. I get dressed and I am ready. Again. I get dressed and I am ready. One more time. I get dressed and I am ready. Great. Next one. I write a list of 3 things. Repeat. I write a list of 3 things. Again. I write a list of 3 things. One more time. I write a list of 3 things. Excellent. Keep going. I take a short walk outside. Repeat after me. I take a short walk outside. Again. I take a short walk outside. One more time. I take a short walk outside. Perfect. Next sentence. I make dinner in the evening. Repeat. I make dinner in the evening. Again. I make dinner in the evening. One more time. I make dinner in the evening. Great. Almost done. I stop using my phone at 10 o'clock. Repeat after me. I stop using my phone at 10 o'clock. Again. I stop using my phone at 10 o'clock. One more time. I stop using my phone at 10 o'clock. Excellent. Last one. I think about one good thing before I sleep. Repeat. I think about one good thing before I sleep. Again. I think about one good thing before I sleep. One more time. I think about one good thing before I sleep. Perfect. Okay, we did it. Full daily routine in English spoken by you. How do you feel? I hope you feel proud, because you should. You just practiced real English, real sentences, real life. That is amazing. Keep going, keep speaking, keep practicing. This is Jake, and we will see you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. New episodes every week. See you soon.